Squarespace comes with this awesome feature called cover pages. Cover pages have many uses, and one of my favorite ways to use Squarespace cover pages is to create a custom thank you page that looks almost like a thank you page created with LeadPages, but the difference is you don't have to spend any money on LeadPages to get it. And in this video, I'll show you how to get that look. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anna from brandedbossbabe.com. I publish new videos every Tuesday, and if you like the content, hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So last time I showed you how to create a simple landing page on Squarespace, and now I want to show you how you can redirect this sign up form to a more exciting thank you page that basically mimics LeadPages thank you pages that you can use if you're bootstrapping or simply don't want to use LeadPages for whatever other reason. Basically what happens is once we enter this form and click on sign up, the page will redirect us to this thank you page, and then your visitors can click on share on Twitter or share on Facebook and spread the word about your freebie, which basically has the potential to grow your email list. This has been a very popular way of creating thank you pages, and I wanted to show you how you can easily do it on Squarespace. So let's dig in. So this is the page that I have already created, but let's start from scratch and show you how you can do it. So we're going to go to the not linked section, and in this case we're going to choose the cover page. See, it's telling me I've subscribed by me. So let's go with thank you page 2 because I already made one. And the first thing you're going to want to do is change the layout. So I prefer going with this one. So we're going to choose that. Then we're going to click on save. And it doesn't really matter which one you choose. It's just a matter of preference. I just like this one. So the first thing you can do here is change your logo, or you can even upload your logo. And then change this text to say something along the lines that thanks them that they signed up. And then for the body, while you wait for the freebie to arrive, why not spread the word? And then we're going to add now you can add images. I'm just going to use one from Unsplash. So let's celebration. Let's see what pops up. Yay, let's go with firework. Totally warranted once somebody signs up for your email list. And now we click on back. And now you're going to go to action, and here you're going to choose buttons. But here's the thing. The first thing you need to do is grab the URL of your landing page, the one we made in the previous video. That would be that, because you want them to spread the word about your landing page, not your thank you page. So you're going to go to href share, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. So for example, let's go with Facebook first. You're going to paste the URL of your landing page right here, and then you're going to add the custom title, awesome checklist, and then sentence or two about what it is. Hey, check out this awesome checklist. And you can even upload an image, and then you're going to click on generate link. And now it's going to give you the link that you can copy. Go back to your thank you page, and for the first button, let's say share on Facebook. And here you're going to paste the link that the href share tool generated for you. You can leave this checked or you can uncheck it. I recommend to leave it checked simply because this gives them the option to stay on your website and share it on Twitter as well. And then you're going to repeat the process, a brief message. Hey, check out this checklist by add your Twitter username and paste the link to the landing page. There we go. And now click on generate and copy that link. Go back to the thank you page. Here, let's say share on Twitter and paste the Twitter link. And again, you want to open in a new window and then click save. And now, of course, you can basically go to style and edit the style settings for the page, change the color buttons, and, do the usual prettifying of the page. But for right now, all I'm going to do is go to the settings of the page, and we want this URL. So copy that, the URL slug, copy that, save, and then you need to go to your landing page, click on edit page content, and then in the newsletter here, under advanced, for post submit HTML, you're going to add a little snippet of code, which first you're going to edit it and enter your website address. So this will be demo squarespace.com, and then enter that URL slug that you pasted. And now select this and copy it in the post submit HTML. Click on apply. Basically, this little tidbit of code tells them that after a second the page gets redirected to the thank you page. So now let's see if it works. And as you can see, it redirected us to the thank you page that we just created. That's it for today's video. If you'd like it, I'd absolutely love it if you hit that like button and the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to discover the secret to attracting your dream clients, be sure to head on over to my website, brandedbossbabe.com. I'll see you in the next one.